OTI maintain for any Ghana If you love a good calabash of well-brewed pito, then join me tonight as I take you through the new Guinea Corn Drink Festival, celebrated by the Konkombas in the OTI region. My name is Akosua, and I need you to keep me in the competition by dialing *713*13#. Follow the prompt or download the TV3 reality app from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Thank you.
Akosua is closed by Sam Collections with hair by Best and More Limited.
Okay, Mami Calabash. Umbari sa dansa. Ndepanda te beje ne bambe changu ko mo fi go wa me fi gama na dansa. Ndepanda te beja umbar na dansa. Be jangu ko mo wa na danse.
The Independent Festival, celebrated by we the Konkombas in the OTI region. Independent means New Guinea Corn Drink. So in essence, the festival is celebrated to usher the New Guinea Corn in and its drink. My great-grandfather, Wumboja, tells me that if you consume the New Guinea Corn without celebrating the festival, it would lead to the contamination of the land and of the deities. Calamity. Another reason for which we celebrate this is to celebrate our twins, to perform rituals for them, because we believe that twins are a special gift from the gods unto us. During this festival, we, the women, are empowered because the pito industry is entirely operated by women, and it's a very important source of income for us. The 3-day celebration begins on a day that is appointed by the gods and communicated to us by our elders. On the first day, we began by grinding the germinated Guinea corn, also known as ipandi. Then on the second day, we brewed the pito and left it to perform overnight. We also prepared various delicacies, including our staple food, besato nimonko, which is also popularly known as the brown TZ with the dried okra sauce. Today is the third day, and we are all gathered here to climax this festival. As you just witnessed, we started by pouring libation and offering a sacrifice to the gods to thank them for a bumper harvest and to seek for their blessings for the coming year. Then we moved to the picnic with merrymaking, drinking together, eating together. This is when we, the Kinachu dancers, entertained you all with our Kinachu dance, we just did. To all returnees and members in the diaspora, when you are in Ghana for the December in Ghana, I entreat you to start from the OTI region. Celebrate with us the Independent Festival. Come get yourself a good pot of pito to start your Christmas celebrations. My name is Akosua, and you can call me Banyubalah. Thank you.
Akosua representing the OTI region. She just celebrated the Millet Festival. Janet, what sayest thou?
Oh, hello, Akosua.
Hello.
So I've learned 2 new things from OTI region tonight, which is the pito And then the brown TZ.
Yes,
I didn't know there was brown TZ.
Yes, it is prepared with a Guinea corn.
Oh, wow. How did you feel tonight?
Pretty well.
A little bit of ifs
So,
here and there,
yes.
right? It could have been better, right?
Yes, please.
But I got all the information you wanted to pass through. I think we can just improve a little bit on the confidence and everything will be okay.
Yes.
But well done. You represented your region very well.
Janet got all the information from Akosua